In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view assignments in Google Classroom. Let's start on the Google Classroom homepage. Make sure you're signed in with the correct school or work account since the classes you see depend on that. On the homepage, you'll see tiles for each class you're enrolled in. Take a quick moment to identify the class where you want to check assignments. The class card usually shows the class name and a small preview of recent activity. Open the class by clicking its card. Inside the class, you'll land on the stream by default, which is more like an activity feed. To focus on assignments, move to the Classwork tab at the top. This tab organizes everything by topics and types, which makes it easier to find what you need. Look through the Classwork list to locate the assignment you want to view. In our example, we're looking for an assignment called Reflection Paper. You may notice the due date and an icon indicating whether it's a regular assignment, a quiz, or material. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the topics. Some classes group items by week or by unit, so keep an eye on the topic headings. Click the assignment title once to open the preview panel. This preview gives you a quick snapshot, usually the instructions, points, and any attachments your teacher added. To see everything in a full-page view, click the assignment title again. Think of the first click as expanding the card, and the second click as entering the detailed view, where everything is easier to read and access. In this detailed view, look for the highlighted sections that draw your eye to key information. Click the highlighted area with the instructions to expand any truncated text so you can read all requirements carefully. Then click the highlighted attachment or resource. This could be a Google Doc, a slides deck, a PDF, or a link. Opening the attachment lets you review the materials your teacher provided before you start working. A few quick tips as you browse. Make sure you read the full instructions so you don't miss formatting guidelines or specific prompts. Note the due date so you can plan your time. And if your teacher organized resources under topics, remember where you found this assignment so you can quickly return later. If your internet connection is slow, give attachments a moment to load, especially large files. That's it. You've navigated from the Classroom homepage, entered your class, opened the Classwork tab, selected your assignment, and clicked through the highlighted sections to view all the details and attachments. You can repeat these same steps for any other assignment in any of your classes.